In today's video, I'll teach you how to contact Ace Hardware customer support. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in acehardware.com/customer service. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll directly be led to the customer service interface of Ace Hardware. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. You can click on the specific option of your choice. After you do that, you'll be able to see the customer service for that particular option only. You'll be able to see various options for contacting the customer service. You can either email them, or you can also call them, or you can also chat with them right now. In order to email them, what you have to do is fill out this form. What you have to do is enter the first name over here. After you do that, enter the last name. Likewise, enter your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now provide your phone number. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Also select the subject. Click on the field of subject. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, scroll down. You'll have to enter the email message over here. Click on the field of email message. Now enter your problem like this. After you do that, click on this option, send message, that you can see on the screen. Now this particular email will be sent. You can see over here your request has been submitted. You can also call them if you want. You'll be able to see the phone number over here. The representatives will be available to receive your call. Simply tell them your problem and you'll be able to contact them. Likewise, you'll also be able to chat with them online. For that, click on this option, chat now, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be able to chat with the virtual assistant. Click on this option, start chatting, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to send your message. Click on the message bar. Now type in your message over here. After you do that, press enter. Now your message will be sent. Now virtual assistant will reply to you. Follow through the prompts and you'll be able to solve your problem. So like this, you'll be able to contact them via the chat box too. So these are basically the ways to contact the customer service of Ace Hardware. So that is how you contact Ace Hardware customer service. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.